is another unboxing video. For today, this one is going to be the Viltrox. The Viltrox VL162T kit. Grab my other camera here. Alright. So, I'm gonna open this up here. First, we got the, I think it's, yeah, this is the warranty. You can fill it out, you don't have to. This light was only $30. Or like $35, sorry. Now we got the, I believe the manual for it. This you don't need either. The instructions are pretty straightforward. Stupid neck. Alright. So we're gonna go ahead and open this up. It's a little baggy here. Alright. These right here are probably my favorite part about this whole thing. These are little covers that you put on top of the, or in front of the light. It's magnetic. There's green, blue, clear, and pink or red. So we got those. Now here is the light. Take this out of the bag here. Take all this out of the way. Alright, got these little gels here. This is what the light looks like. Definitely tell that the quality of this plastic is actually very good quality. It's not like super thin, where if you drop it or something it's gonna break. This is the little screen that tells you how warm the light is, how bright the light is, and how dark it is. Got the off and on switch here. Got this little lever here to take out the battery. And got this little dial to turn up the light and turn it down. You have these ports here, so that way if you have a microphone, you can actually attach it here or this side as well. That way, because when you put this on your camera, you're taking up a lot of space, so you can just attach your microphone on either side. This is also cool too, because it's got this to attach it to a tripod, either side you want, and you can attach something else here as well if you wanted to. Alright, so I'm going to take this stuff out here. You've got this so that you can hook it up to your camera from here, and the little chute here, and then you just turn it like that to tighten it. Got the, let's see here. This is the charger for it. You can hook it up to the wall. Just flip this over. Just like that. And then you got the last item that's in the box is going to be your battery. Get this open here. the way. So you got the battery. You can actually find these type of batteries pretty much anywhere. There's Electronics, Best Buy. They're the 7.4 volt. And then to charge the battery, you just put that into here. Let's see here. It won't go in. Just like that. And then you just plug it into the wall, like that. And then actually said it's already charged. So now that I know that it's charged, I'm going to test it out. So first thing I'm going to do is connect this piece here. I'm going to put this under here, tying it down like that. Make sure it's tightened all the way. Alright, here we go. I put it on wrong. So we're gonna tighten it all the way down first. And then you're gonna grab the light. And you're gonna this side here, actually, there's a little hole. Light can't see it. There's a little hole right here. Here. And then you're actually gonna line it up with this here. You're gonna put that in here like that. That actually helps it stay in place. So we're gonna do that. And then going to put in the battery right into here. Put that in there like that. I'm gonna turn off this light here to show you exactly how bright it is. Alright, so here is the light. Going to turn it on. I'll just point it over here. So this is at 100%. Shoot. Let me clean my lens real quick. It's got huge glare in it. Okay. So, and there's still glare. Oh well. I'll just do it this way. So this is at 100%. And then you can actually turn it down. And it goes down to, I believe, 20%. It won't go any lower than that. But 20% is still pretty bright. At least I think so. So pretty good. So, and then you're gonna press, let's see here. And turn this light back on. Alright. You're gonna press this dial where it changes the brightness, and you're gonna press it in, I believe. See here. Yeah, you're gonna press it in, and then it'll actually change the color. There's like regular, it's like an orangish color, and then there's the blue light. So there's two different ones you can use. And then with these covers here, and turn this back up to 100% so you can see exactly what it does. Alright. So these covers are magnetic. And then you're just gonna put it on there exactly like this. Make sure that they're all in there. Now you have red light. Pretty cool if you're doing videos, like a music video or something really cool. You can use this for like a really cool effect, or especially on Halloween, you can use these. And now we have this one here. Snap that in there. And it's a lot better than that orange color light. Most people don't like using that light because it just messes with the skin or whatever you're taking pictures of. So I'm gonna take that one off. The next one's this blue one here. I'll snap this in here. And there we go. It's hard to tell on that camera, but if you use it for yourself, it actually turns everything blue, which is pretty cool. And finally, this green one here. Now you have a green light. So these are really good if you want to do like different video effects and you don't have the money to actually add the effects into there. You can just pick up one of these $35 lights and put one of these on there and you're set. And yeah, turn this light back on. Super bright. So yeah, you can change this dial here. My phone's going off. Alright, anyways, so probably hard to tell, but this little dial, like I said, you just turn it to turn the brightness down, or you can turn it all the way up to 100. It's pretty freaking bright. I'm sure the big glare is because I have the window open, or the blinds open, but still you can obviously tell without blinding you that this light is absolutely amazing. See how well it's lighting up the room? I have a TV in the way. Let's see here. I'll just point it towards me. See how bright that is? And you can put it on a tripod and put it wherever you want. So you can just, it is absolutely bright, maybe too bright, but it's definitely worth the money. So yeah, if you need a light, let's say you have a photo shoot. Let's say you have a photo shoot. It's Monday and you need a light on Thursday. It'll be here. It'll be there pretty quick. If you just go on Amazon and you need a quick light. These are $35 and honestly absolutely worth it. Very good quality. Built nice. It has these little vents on here on the back, so it helps cool off. You can, let's see, you can turn this little thing here. Ooh, I almost dropped it, but so yeah, you can basically just, you can bounce it off the ceiling or whatever, the light, or you can turn it down, tighten it, and then you can use it like that. It's also good if you're at a, you can use this for photo shoot. Instead of using those huge lights, you can just attach this to your camera and you have all the light right there. You don't have to worry about placing your light and all that. Yeah, and I think that's gonna be it. Thanks everyone for watching. It was honestly absolutely amazing unboxing this and seeing how it works. And you guys can see how it works when you first open it and all that. But yeah, $35 on Amazon can get you this. And I'll definitely be using it. I have a music video coming up and I will be testing it out. The battery life on it, I'm not exactly sure if it's 100% true or not, but I'm pretty sure one battery will last you about, if you have it on, I think it will last you about like 3-4 hours maybe. I don't know, but even an hour with this thing on the whole time is so pretty impressive. Yeah, see you guys in the next video. Peace.